Hey guys, got a short video for you today. I'm repairing a broken tab on the rear window defroster on this, I think it's a 16 Ram. And I'm going to share with you what I use, what I really think works the best. I've used tabs, those repair tabs that you get from like O'Reilly's or Napa or local parts house. But what I find works the best, and I'm heating up one and curing one right now, but it's this Frost Fighter. Now these kits are like a silver solder, I believe is what it is. What's it saying in here? It looks silver, but what it is just a regular, like an epoxy kit. Two-part, you mix it together. It says to bond the tab that you're doing within 2 minutes. But the key to these is heating up the glass, and it wants the glass heated to, or cure the material at 100 to 150 degrees for 30 minutes using a hair dryer, and that's what I got going right here, and you can hear that. It says heat curing is highly recommended. Air curing must be above 75 degrees for at least 12 hours. But I've got my temperature probe here, my infrared, and I'll show you the temperature I got on it. That's kind of curious, or kind of interesting on this is it does have an expiration date. I've had this kit for a long time, and I've probably done like, I don't know, 12, 14 of them, repairs on multiple vehicles, and this says it expires 12/18. So it's 2 years expired, but I'm still using it. It says it's made in the USA. Who knows if you buy a current kit, if it still is. I just ordered this offline. I don't know, you just have to look for it if you want one. And let me show you what I'm doing on this one right here. Just using my heat gun. It says 100 to 150 for half an hour. I'm about at a half an hour right now. And you can see the area here that I've got it on. And what's it saying there? About 130. Somewhere in there. I don't like to get it up to 150 or more. Just, I don't know, I don't want to do some damage on anything. But let's go in here and I'll show you what tab broke. Someone had this headliner down before I had to pull it down, and they busted this tab over here. And when you clean it up, and it gives you a little bit of sandpaper, and you sandpaper it lightly, and then you apply the stuff. Let's see here if it's, I think it's set up. It looks like it kind of expanded and pushed away, but I get it on here. I think you want to put it on here for 2 minutes and let it set, and then before you heat it, I just went ahead and already had it heated, and then put this Scotch tape over it to hold it. This one is probably cured, but it's quitting time, so I'm going to go home and then I'll wrap it up to tomorrow, pull the tape off, and that'll be done. I'll show you the temperature in there. I think. Let me turn my light off. And on the inside of the glass, it's definitely over 100, maybe in the 120 range. So I've got the heat focused right in this corner. Yeah, so this would be a great repair. Now, I've used kits before from O'Reilly's, and I've did everything it said to do, heated them up, spent all spent a bunch of time, let it sit up overnight, and then it didn't work. It wasn't able to conduct electricity through it. And then I tried again, tried another kit, and so I found these years ago, and I've used them ever since. I've never had an issue using this Frost Fighter kit. So anyway, that's a tip for you. And I think they're kind of expensive. Looks like I'll probably have to get another one here. Here we are the next day. That tab stuck really nice. And let's see how we did. See if it works. I've got the rear defrost on right now. Looks like all three of my grids are working perfectly. So there you have it. Another solid repair. We'll see you around.